Hello, thanks for joining me. If you've arrived here, then it's probably because you struggle with your CV. If it's a long list of technical capabilities, but it's not about you or what you've done and in what context, then it's probably not working hard enough for you as a document. This video will provide 3 quick fixes and key ideas to help you improve it in easy steps. Of course, getting the first interview is the CV's most important function, but job descriptions demand evidence of XYZ technical environments and tools. The CV's author can be lost in the process, absent even. Let's look at the idea of stories. They're used successfully in marketing and have been for some time. And the best CVs tell the candidate's story. Of course, they grab our attention and they interest us. So I think using stories is a good way to think about the structure of our career, or put differently, the structure of our CVs. Let's look at the next 2 slides. Let's assume the CV already has a profile section, is economic with the number of fonts, use of bold, use of uppercase, use of the past tense for previous career events, and doesn't use a graphical structure that confuses databases. The second slide outlines 3 quick fixes to get us into our story or into the CV. You may create another structure. There are 2 employers over a 6-year period. I've used colour to pick out sections, but obviously I don't recommend this in the actual CV, although colour is appearing in CVs, albeit discreetly. In blue are brief statements about the type of employer: size, public or private, service provider or manufacturer, startup, growing company, etc. In orange is the individual's position in context. What the person was required to do, the circumstances, the resources, time frame perhaps, morale even. In green are the achievements. Let's celebrate them. The 3 fixes provide a structure within which our story can shine through. And so you're thinking, Neil, this obviously requires more space. And quite right, we're told that CVs should be a maximum of 2 to 3 pages, a measure that's applied equally to graduates and those with 7 to 8 years experience, 10 or more. In my view, if you have more experience, then it's entirely justified to have a longer CV. Having said that, you can summarise earlier career events. It's entirely dependent on your individual circumstances. I hope that helps. Message me if you're really struggling, and happy job hunting. Bye bye.